Hey, you. Yes, you. You are just like me, a Homo sapiens. Life in this universe began 4 billion years ago, and us, our kind, exist for only 200,000 years. Listen to this story and then decide what you want to do.
My name is Pedro Benedicto Martinez. I am an industrial engineer majored in electricity. I have worked as a consultant for the most important companies in the energy sector for the last 3 years. Thanks to my exposure to this sector, I have been able to see the main problems it will have to deal with in the coming decades. Climate change, pollution, or oil spilling are all environmental problems associated to the use of energy that threaten people's health and even the future of humanity. Among all of them, there is one that is not solved at all, but seems to be forgotten: nuclear waste. Nuclear waste is produced by humans in different processes, but mainly as a result of the production of electricity in nuclear power plants. These materials can last as much as tens of thousands of years. There is no way to eliminate this danger from Earth, which could harm hundreds of future generations. In spite of the consequences, countries all over the world are betting on nuclear energy as part of the solution to tackle with their energy deficit. Therefore, the problem of handling nuclear waste is not only going to remain, but will also increase in the future. The solution suggested by governments and the industry consists in digging huge caves into the ground, stuffing it with all nuclear waste produced over the years and sealing the entrance. However, this waste remains active and thus dangerous for at least 100,000 years. The oldest man-made construction which still stands, the pyramids of Egypt, are just 5,000 years old. Who can assure that this container will stay sealed and nobody will open it in all this time? How are we going to make future generations aware of the dangers of buried nuclear waste if we don't even know if our languages and means of communications will exist in 100,000 years? How can we close our eyes and pretend the problem is solved by sweeping the dirt under the carpet? Leaving this burden on future generations is something that is beyond technical problems. It is neither responsible nor ethical. Let's not repeat history. Nuclear Waste Spaceship proposes to free the world from nuclear waste by sending it into outer space. It is clearly the only way to make sure we do not put at risk the future of mankind. To do so, we must find a way to transport nuclear waste safely from the surface of the Earth to space. We will need our best engineers to build a rocket or a spaceship able to carry tons of nuclear material. The impact of this project goes farther than solving today's problem with nuclear waste. It will allow us to leave our children and their children's children a world free of radioactive material. And also, it will make nuclear energy a safer energy source which can contribute to the battle against climate change. I have no doubt that energy is the greatest problem, challenge, and opportunity humanity is facing in the 21st century. Energy is essential for the development of our societies, but we need to make sure we do not harm our planet and future generations. This project will make the world a cleaner, safer, and more sustainable place to live in.